Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy. Hi, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions here at the 10th Annual Photo Managers Conference. And this is Cathi Nelson, the founder of the Photo Managers. And Cathi, it's amazing. It's been 10 years. And I remember being at that first conference in Chicago, and there were maybe 60 of us.
Yeah, we were trying to remember. We didn't know enough that we should be taking notes about how many were there because we didn't know we would keep going like this. So maybe 50 or 60. And it was at a banquet hall, and I think the hotel was like what did I just say? It was a Country Inn and Suites next door. It wasn't even a conference center because we weren't big enough and we didn't have any vision. You know, it was too early. It was the first one.
Yeah.
To fast forward, right, 10 years later, and we had no speakers that were able to speak that were expertise from the community yet because nobody had been doing it long enough.
Yeah.
To where we are today, where we have over 100 people came in person, but we have 85 or more signed up to do this again virtually in 4 weeks. And we have all our speakers except for one are from within the community. I think we had 16 breakouts.
Yeah.
And so it's just been incredible growth. And also the change, we were more focused, I think, a lot on analog and printed photos 10 years ago, but now the technology that's been changing, that's only going to continue to accelerate. And then also the variety of members has just, it's just incredible, right? From people that focus only on scanning to photo books to digital, digital natives who are digital organizing only to storytelling with film documentaries to, it's just incredible, right?
Well, and even just the backgrounds. I mean, you and I came out with creative memories and scrapbooking, but now we have professional photographers and people from the photo industry, as well as personal historians and just sort of a
archivists
wide,
and
wide
family historians and
so that has been fast, and they bring such richness to the photo organizers, and it's just been great to see just how this field has grown.
Yes.
I mean, I think of the professional organizers and their organization, which is now like 40 years old, and we're just 10.
Yeah, we're just still people, most people haven't heard of us yet, right?
Yeah.
So we are we need more photo organizers, managers. Most people report being so busy, and then also we always say do what you love and outsource the rest. So if scanning is your, you like scanning analog photos and things, you need to outsource the rest. So we need more people to help manage all these large projects that are coming, because the consumer is starting to catch on to the fact that, guess what? They're never going to get to this, and those family photos and stories matter.
They do
matter, and they want access to that, and that's what we bring, that solution to them, right?
Yeah. And the other thing that I realized is that we had 5 countries.
Yes, this is our first biggest international. We had 2 members from the Netherlands, 2 members from the UK, and a member from Brazil.
And there was someone from Mexico.
Oh, I didn't think I realized that.
And 2 Canadians.
Oh, Canadians, right. The Canadians kind of, because they've been coming over the years.
Yes.
But, and also, I mean, I have a vision someday that maybe we'll have a conference in the UK, maybe we'll have one in Australia, because, we're growing, because this problem exists all over the world.
Right.
And because of the way the world is today, it's a small world. Right? And so.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
I look forward to being at the conference next year in Orlando.
Yes. In Orlando in April, and we're excited about that.
And I'll be interviewing various people from the conference so that you can hear what photo organizers and photo managers are doing with their clients throughout the year. So look forward to seeing that, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.